how to remove accounts from Gmail. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can remove accounts from Gmail, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Your Gmail app is not responsible for any of the accounts displayed in the Gmail app because your Gmail app only shows you a list of accounts that has been added to your device. To understand this, you can see I've opened the Gmail app. If I tap the profile icon from the top right, you can see my Gmail, and then you can also see other Gmails, Outlooks, Yahoo, or even Hotmail, or any of the other mails that I might have added to my Gmail app or my device. So if I want to remove it from my Gmail, I have to remove it from my device. To remove it from my device, you'll find the option called Manage Accounts on this device. In this case, you want to just tap on Manage Accounts on this device, and then here you'll be able to see a list of all the accounts that has actually been added to your device. So if you'd like to remove a certain account, you can just tap on the specific account here, tap on the Remove Account button. When you remove the account from your device itself, it's going to be removed from all of the Google applications such as Google Play Store, Google Drive, Google Photos, or even Gmail. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.